Hi everyone! In this video we will evaluate expressions involving multiplication or division with integers. Evaluate 3j minus 5k minus 5 when j equals 5 and k equals 2. Before we go forward, let's review the order of operations. Parentheses, exponents, multiply and divide from left to right, add and subtract from left to right. And just as a quick review, when we multiply or divide and the signs are the same, we will get an answer that is positive. When we multiply or divide and the signs are different, then the answer will be negative. Let's go ahead and work on our expression now. We were told j equals 6 and k equals 2. This means that we will need to substitute into our expression. Every time we see the variable j, we will put a 6, and every time we see the variable k, we will put a 2. But every single time we substitute, we must put a set of parentheses around the variable we will be substituting in for. This helps clearly indicate our operations that are occurring with that variable. So let's go ahead and copy this down exactly as it is, replacing the variables with sets of parentheses. This now gives us a place where we can put the 6 and the 2. The 6 goes where the j was, which is right here, and the 2 will go where the k was, which is right here. And now we can work on our order of operations. I don't have any parentheses that are indicating an operation to be happening with inside. These parentheses in ours are indicating that I am multiplying between these numbers. I don't have to have the little dot to multiply. The parentheses are sufficient. I also don't have any exponents, so I can move on to multiplying and dividing from left to right. On this one, I have two operations of multiplication, 3 times 6 and 5 times 2. These are separated by a subtraction sign, so I can complete them both at the same time on the same step. 3 times 6 is 18. A positive 3 and a positive 6 give me a positive answer. I can go ahead and subtract 5 times 2, which is 10, and so I have minus 10. And then copy everything else down exactly as it was on the step before. Now I can go ahead and work on adding and subtracting since I've done all of the multiplication and division. And we're working from left to right. So we will do 18 minus 10, which gives us positive 8, and then copy everything else down since I haven't completed that operation yet. 8 minus 2 is positive 6. And now we've evaluated this expression all the way down to the very end, and we're all done.